All right, welcome back, boys and girls. This drive-through is brought to you by the deli. Hungry? Stop by the deli. Make yourself a sandwich with extra Colby Jack cheese, peppered turkey on marble rye, toasted with Dijon mustard. All right, we're talking about the division of segments and angles today. I don't know if this is new vocabulary to you or not. The word bisect indicates to cut something into two equal parts. Okay? And the word trisect means to cut something into three equal parts. So a point or a segment or a ray or a line is said to bisect a segment or bisect an angle if it cuts that line or angle in half. If you need to write this down, pause the video and take your vocabulary. All right, so here, point A has bisected segment HM. Okay, and so that means that A is the midpoint of HM or ham. Okay. Down below, you'll see that ray AC and ray AO, if I indicate that these angles are all congruent with tick marks, that those rays have trisected angle BAN. So again, AC and AO trisect angle BAN. And then in the red segment, the green points E and L have, once I indicate with a tick mark, trisected segment DI. Okay, so that's all the new stuff for today's section. And then on top of that, you just have to get used to doing, some new problems and some proofs that go along with this. So we're going to do 2 example problems and the video will be done. All right, so now we've got some new reasons or new things that we can put on the right side of our 2-column proofs. Okay? So we are given in this that CM bisects segment AB. And that is given to us. Okay, well, this proof is over. So step 2. Now I can say that AM is congruent to BM or MB because, now here's where you have to be able to understand what the definitions say so that you can use them properly. So, my reason is going to be the definition of bisect. But you shouldn't use that reason unless you know what it says. So the definition of bisect says a point, line, or ray is said to bisect a segment if it divides the segment into 2 congruent parts. So that's it. That's a 2-step proof. That's all it is. Again, at the beginning, these proofs are sometimes so easy that they can be weird because you guys are kind of left like, is that it? Is that all I have to do? And for that one, yes. All right, one more example. Ray KO bisects angle JKM. So this is a Widmopoy here. When in doubt, make a picture of it. So ray KO bisects JKM. All right, good. I got my picture drawn. JKM is 41 degrees and 37 minutes. Find OKM. So the first thing you should do here is see if you can just do this problem in your calculator. You would do 41 degrees, 37 minutes divided by 2 equals. It's going to give you your number as a decimal. Then you hit your DMS button, equals, and it will convert it back into degrees, minutes, seconds for you. If you haven't learned how to use your calculator to do this yet, then you might have suffered the consequences on your first quiz, because there's been a number of people that have missed those easy questions because they never took the time to figure out how to do it in their calculator. But if you're old school and you like to do things by hand, I totally respect it, so let's show you how to do this. We're going to take that and we're going to multiply it by a half. Now let's just, I don't know that this is the best way to do it, but let's just see what that's going to be. 20 1/2 degrees, and then let's see, half of 37, so plus 18 1/2 minutes. All right, well, I'm not allowed to write it as 20 1/2 degrees, so half of a degree is 30 minutes. So that'll be 20 degrees plus 30 minutes plus 18 minutes plus half a minute. Just bear with me on that one, okay? Well, that's going to be 20 degrees plus 48 minutes plus. Well, half of a minute is what? Is 30 seconds. So our final answer should be 20 degrees, 48 minutes, and 30 seconds. That's kind of tricky and involves fractions, so I do indeed recommend that you learn how to do that in your calculator. Boom!